What's up, YouTube? This your boy Big Mike 547. I'm coming back with you with an unboxing of what I got for Christmas, and that would be the iPod Touch 4th generation, so 8 GB. And now you see I got both of them. So I'm coming back to you with this new case I just found at a local store. Is very popular in the US. It is called Incipio, and the name of it is the gaming case. So I guess you have the extra good grip. It feels like it's a good grip, and it includes the screen protector and a cloth. So it seems like a very good case. It was 20 bucks. The website is awesome. I thought they only made it for iPod or Apple products. I'm gonna leave the website down here in the description, so please rate, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what else. They got 8 different kind of styles of this, and I got the Hive Red, and let's open it. Okay, put that right there. Okay, this is how the case looks. It feels good, Let's take this out. And it says, modded design provides added grip playthrough design for full functions while in case. Okay, let's take this out. We're gonna see what this is later. It feel real good. It feels really good. It's a nice look. You see they even got their name right there. So I got the red one because that's the second favorite color, and I was gonna get blue, but it looked too common, so I want something to stand out. So let's put this on my iPod, and here it goes. Okay. It's kind of hard to keep on, but I get used to it. And this is how it looks. It looks real good. It looks real good. So you got the home or the lock button. It's a really good. It's really good. It feels real good. It fits it perfect, real perfect. And then you got these humps, so when you play like this, you have full grip. So sorry. But yeah, it got a good little feel to it. It protects it. It really does. So let's see what it came with. Okay, Oh, look, they even throw in a protector, a screen protector. That's cool. I guess this is the guide, how you put it on, how you put these on. So you can find this case on the website. I'm gonna put in the description, or else you can go to your local Walmart, and you can just go to the iPod section and get them. They have all kind of colors. So Oh, okay, it comes with the air bubble, this thing. Comes with, oh, it comes with the, what kind this is? Okay, oh, okay. It comes with the clear and, the sun protector, so when it keep the sun from out of it. What am I gonna put on? I'm gonna put on this one because I have it on my iPhone, so you can see how it looks. So the light is reflecting off of it, but usually it'll be real shiny. So yeah, and um, it's a pretty good case. I like it. I really do. This is my first case. I have another one. I have a 3-pack. So just in case I'm getting tired of that one, I just pop one of these on. So I will use these for backup. So and that's made by Griffin. And um, hopefully I do this one right because the one that's on my phone got little air bubbles in it, kinda. So yeah, it should be good. So thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see y'all later. Alright, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.